Surat al-Falaq, chapter of the Daybreak. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, say I take refuge with the Lord of the Daybreak, from the evil of what he hath created, and from the evil of the darkening when it comes on, and from the evil of the blowers among knots, and from the evil of an envious one when he envies. So we find that the evil is among these things. It's not that darkness is evil, or creation is evil, or knots in themselves are evil, or people who blow are evil. It's our desire is evil in itself, but it can become problems of beliefs and actions that are chosen amongst them. And the two seeking refuges are these last two chapters work together, that the evil magics and stuff like this to refute against them. The last three chapters are good for saying before bed. If you say Surah al-Kafirun, then those 4 chapters are said after the prayers by a lot of people.